Hey fellows, it's Cardboard Boy here. In this video, I'm going to make one of the iconic weapon from Assassin's Creed. Yeah, the Assassin's Blade. It's completely made out of cardboard and it works. Let's make it and enjoy.